Okay, so once the power cylinder is screwed down, it's time to put the balancer hub and the flywheel hub onto the bearing support axle here. Okay, so you'll need a set screw, two set screws, one for each hub, and you'll also need a 1/16 Allen key. So we'll put the balancer hub on the side that is closer to the power cylinder. We'll just put it on loosely like that, and then we'll put the flywheel on this side, flywheel hub on this side. There we go. And so there should be a small gap. Maybe you could put in a piece of paper or something in between the bearing support and the hubs for a gap. Maybe a folded piece of paper, 2 plies of paper would be a nice gap between the hubs and the bearing support. So once you have it aligned or to the right depth, or the depth that you want, it's time to put the set screw right here into the hole in the side of the hub. Okay, so I've put the set screw in here, and I'm just going to tighten it down with the 1/16 Allen key. Okay, and that should be tight enough, and that should be locked onto the axle. So you should see this rotate with the axle. Okay, and then you just do it to the other side as well with the other set screw. Okay, so that is now tight on this hub and this hub.